Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Studio Fancy. Previous video, you learned how to make skin soft. So this video, I will show you how to dodge and burn. So let's see how to do it. Select Curve and Enhance Highlight. Invert the curve layer. Select Curve and enhance the dark. Invert the curve layer. Select Brush tool. Then enhance the highlight areas and dark areas as shown in the video. So this is the final result after third step. In the next video, I'll show you final edit. Hit that like button and subscribe our channel if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.